Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling core gear, a brewing stand powered with blaze powder, plus 3 filled glass bottles. Once done, place the water bottles in the stand's bottom slots so you can brew multiple potions at once. Make sure to have nether wart and a golden carrot ready. The wart converts water into an awkward base, and the golden carrot is what gives night vision. You're not waiting. Start the brewing process by adding nether wart as your first ingredient. Once the awkward potions finish, replace the ingredient with a golden carrot and start brewing again. You'll see the timer run until all bottles convert into night vision. This changes the potion color and grants brightness. Make sure the brewing stand still has blaze powder so the process doesn't pause mid-batch. If you want extended duration, convert the night vision into an extended version by adding redstone dust in a follow-up brew once the base potions are complete. Finish by adding redstone dust to create extended night vision, which lasts longer. Do this after the golden carrot brew completes. You can also modify potions with glow or corruption using specialty recipes, but for straightforward brightness you stop here and store the potions. If something goes wrong, check the obvious. Is there blaze powder in the brewing stand? Also verify you used nether wart first, then golden carrot. Reversing order produces no night vision, so correct the sequence and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.